So traders, on today's video I will be sharing to you guys possible weekly trading outlook, weekly trading direction for the coming week. I think from the 24th up and until the 27th. Just not sure of the date, which will be November. But before we hit the video, like on the video, share the video, leave a comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell. Most of all, click that link on my description to sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend. So just like I said, I will be sharing to you guys possible weekly trading outlook directions based on how the markets might be looking to, what we might look to encounter on the forex markets for the coming 5 days, which will be on 3 trading pairs: nasdaq, gold, and usdcad. So keeping it simple, we're gonna simply start on nasdaq. And nasdaq, you can clearly see that price at this zone is our strong level of resistance. So with a strong level of resistance, looking at our current structure, you can tell that price gave us a break above and created this high and came back for a retest and then gave us this high. So from this high, price had a dip to the downside. With a dip, you can clearly see that price gave us multiple rejections above our very same zone. So us as traders waiting for confirmation, it will be based on us having to understand as this rejections and this reaction based on us having to see a possible move to the upside, or is price giving us a push to the upside just to create a lower high so we can look forward possible new lower lows. We just don't know. That's why I keep it the way we keep it. We're gonna wait for confirmation. A break above, a fail to break clearly gives us a reason to look for those moves to the upside, but a break below, then I guess we'll look for continuations to the downside. But without further ado, second pair, which will be gold. And until gold gives us a clean tradable idea or a clean trading inside, then I guess there's nothing that we're gonna do on gold, because price is holding highs, price is holding lows, and us having to wait for confirmation is us having to wait for a break above to be bullish or a break below to be bearish. If we don't get that, we'll be bullish above support and be bearish below our resistance, which is more like our highs or our lows, and that's what we're going to be focusing on. So gold, we're going to keep it the way we keep it. But without further ado, last but not least, we're having USDCAD. And USDCAD was more like gold until price gave us a break above. So with a break above of our range, all we're now going to be focusing on is this current highs. So if price gave us this current highs and dipped to the downside and traded below our zone and gave us a break above to end the week, all we're going to be focusing on is to see what price giving us a break above those previous highs so we can look for those moves to the upside. But if price gives us a fail to break, we're going to see a possible double top, and that's when we're going to look for those moves to the downside. But let me just keep it the way we keep it. We simply got to wait for confirmation to see what is price going to do before having to put our money to work, and that's what we're going to be focusing on. So just like I said, if you have gained any knowledge and any insight from this video, all I ask of you is to share the video to other traders so the algorithm can push itself, so many traders can get the message, can get the memo, and far most importantly, get the knowledge and the gems that they need so they can have a wonderful trading week. But without further ado, this is King COT, and I'm going to catch you guys on the next educational video. Bye for now.